Don't know how to get your project started? Talk to Neo. Your AI agent will offer freelancer matches that best fit your needs, even as they evolve.
The new catalog helps you select the right talent. Whether it's an SEO specialist or a Python developer, make the best decisions based on their skills, experience, and detailed portfolios.
Share a few details and with some AI magic, transform your idea into a powerful brief so freelancers can nail your project every time.
Now, you can work on an ongoing basis with freelancers who offer hourly rates for even better collaboration.
Your time is precious, and sometimes it just makes sense to have someone else handle the hassle for you. You know you're in good hands with an expert project manager who you can trust to assemble and manage your freelance dream team.